How to express the concentration of H2O2 is an important concept, and that can be seen in simple terms as if you take H2O2 whose molecular weight is 34, that decomposes to give water and half mole of oxygen for every 1 mole of H2O2. Therefore, if you dissolve 1 gram molecular mass of H2O2, that is 34 grams, in 1000 ml aqueous solution, that is water solution, obviously it is 1 molar solution because number of moles dissolved in 1 liter is called molarity. Also, each molecule of H2O2 can give actually 2 H plus ions because it is a very weak dibasic acid. Therefore, the number of H plus ions given by a molecule of H2O2 is called as the basicity. The basicity of H2O2 is 2. It is also called N factor. Therefore, N factor into molarity is equal to normality. So, the solution is said to be 2 normal. Also, you can see 34 grams in 1000 ml. It means 3.4 grams are there in 100 ml. 3.4 grams in 100 ml is called 3.4 W by V percent, where W is for mass weight, V is for volume, percent means per 100. And if you look at this equation, half mole of oxygen is coming from every 1 mole of H2O2 that is there in 1000 ml, that is 1 liter. So 1 liter of this solution is giving half mole of oxygen gas at STP. 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters, you know that. Therefore, half mole of oxygen occupies 11.2 liters volume at STP. This is called 11.2 V by V strength, volume strength of H2O2. It means it gives 11.2 liters of oxygen for every 1 liter of solution that has 34 grams or 1 mole. If I know this fundamental relation, also I should notice roughly 30 W by V percent of H2O2 is approximately 100 V by V H2O2. We can see this 3.4 W by V percent is equal to 11.2. 30 W by V is approximately equal to 100 V by V, which is sold in market under the trade name perhydrol. With this basic input, now you can address this problem. Let us look at a problem. What volume of oxygen released at STP from 50 ml of 2 molar H2O2? To solve this problem, you know that 1 molar solution, just now we have seen 1 molar solution, if I take 1 liter, I get 11.2 liters of oxygen. Therefore, if I know volume strength, I can see what volume of oxygen is released for every 1 volume of H2O2 solution. So, I convert the molarity into volume strength. I know 1 molar is equal to 11.2 V by V. 2 molar is equal to how much? This is equal to 2 into 11.2, that is 22.4 V by V. Now, volume of oxygen released at STP is equal to volume of H2O2 solution taken multiplied by volume strength. So, if I simplify, I can get the answer as 1120 ml. This is the volume of oxygen released. So, there are 3 steps in solving this kind of problems. First, convert the given data of concentration of H2O2 into volume strength. Volume strength multiplied by the volume of H2O2 solution taken gives you the volume of oxygen gas released at STP. If you are multiplying volume in liters with volume strength, you get volume of oxygen released in liters. If you are multiplying volume in ml with volume strength, you will be getting volume in ml. That's all. Thank you very much.